Hello everyone, welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh. In this video tutorial, we are learning about how to copy the data from one Excel to another. So this is one of the important concept to learn in the RPA. Why? Because most of the customer or a client data will be available inside the Excel. We have to do some manipulation to the data and we have to use it for all our process. So most important concept is how to transfer data from one Excel to another sheet, right? So traditional way all are using looping concept or keystroke to copy entire data from one Excel to another. But today we will learn most efficient way without using any keystrokes or without using looping, how we can transfer data from one Excel sheet to another Excel or another Excel file. So it is very important to learn this concept. Please go through this video. Don't skip any 1 second also. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. Without wasting the time, we will directly go to our concept. The first thing is we have to understand what is exactly the requirement. Very simple requirement I am explaining today. So from this you will learn how we can copy data from one sheet to another sheet. The same way you can transfer the data from one Excel to another Excel also. So one Excel to another Excel, I will give it to you. You have to do it in your system and comment on the video. It is successfully you have completed or not. Today in this video we will learn how we can transfer this entire data in this input sheet what I have, entire data I need to transfer to this output sheet. Basically the output sheet is blank, right? So I have to transfer this input sheet to output sheet. This is my goal. Okay, how we can do without using any looping or without using any keystroke. So that we will see today. Okay, so directly I will go to automation anywhere. Very simple concept is there in the Excel advanced activity. Okay, just type a Excel advance. So whenever you are working with the Excel in the automation anywhere, you have to first open the Excel, right? So manually also we will open the Excel. Same way in the automation anywhere, you can learn very easily, right? So here what you have to do, you have to open the Excel. How we will open the Excel in the automation anywhere A360? With using open command, right? Just I will take a open command from automation anywhere from Excel advance. Okay, and already I have stored my path into a variable. The best way always you have to store your path in a variable. That's why I have stored my path in a variable called. So if I go to the string, if I go to a system, I have created file Excel file path. So inside this, I have a path of my Excel. Okay, so same thing I will use in the Excel Advanced Open. Just I will type it as a dollar symbol, file file Excel file path. And sheet contains header. You can take it also no problem. If you are not taking also no problem while transferring your data from one Excel sheet to another Excel sheet. So no need to take it. And the specific sheet name, yes, we need it, right? The first sheet, which sheet you want to copy the data, right? That sheet name you have to give it. So basically I want to copy the data from input sheet. So I'm just copying the input sheet name and pasting into Excel sheet name, right? Specific sheet name. And read and write, yes, we have to take it because I need to copy the data and paste it into another sheet of same file. So if you're taking the another file, no need to take a read and write mode. Better you can take a read and write mode. So I'm just recommending you. So these thing you can skip it. Password is not required. Nothing. The local session is you can give your own local session name. I'm giving a default. I'm not changing anything. And now I want to transfer the data from one Excel sheet to another Excel sheet, right? Without using loop as I told the condition before. To do that in the Excel advanced option, we have a command called, okay, just I will type it here, data, okay, table. In the Excel advanced, we have a two commands. So one is write from data table, another one is get worksheet as a data table. So worksheet meaning is sheet, right? Workbook meaning is the file. The worksheet as a data table, this I'm taking. Basically what I'm doing, opened Excel is there, right? From that Excel, the sheet one means input sheet, I'm converting as a data table. So basically data table will have the rows and columns, and the same way our Excel also will have the rows and columns. The structure is same for both. So that's why Automation Anywhere is given the beautiful command to convert your Excel sheet to data table. So I'm just taking a get worksheet as a data table. I already have given the specific name for the sheet, but still I will give again the name here, specific worksheet. You can take active worksheet also, no problem, because already when we are opening the Excel, we have given the active sheet as a sheet name as an input, right? But I'm just giving for a more clarity, I'm just giving here input. And after that, sheet contains header. Again, if you want to take it, you can take it. To transfer the data, this is not needed, but still I'm taking. Okay, sheet contains header. Read visible text. This is very important. So example, you have a 15% or dollar symbol, right? Maybe if the amount is having dollar of $10 or something. So then if you want to read entire value, visible text means it is visible to you, right? 15%, dollar of 100, like this. So that symbol also you need it, then you have to take read visible text in a cell. If you need only the value, example, you need 50 instead of 15% symbol, then you have to take read cell value. Basically, I need a read visible text, right? So that's why I'm taking read visible text in a cell. And session name, what you have given for the open file, right? Open Excel file, that you have to give the session name. Default is a session name. Same default I'm using here, session name. Okay. And assign this particular sheet into a type is data table, right? Table type we have to assign. So Excel worksheet data, I'm just using TBL, okay? TBL Excel worksheet data. So you can give the description also and create and select. So now what has happened? So I have created a Excel worksheet as a data, okay? So I'm converting my Excel into a data table now. So this data table is, see here, it is created. I don't need an input, so just I'm removing. So we don't need input, output or something, just we are transferring the data in the same uh, task. So now done. So now what we have to do, I need to transfer this data table data into a output sheet, right? Basically I have to do that. For that also, Automation Anywhere is given a beautiful command called write from data table in an Excel advanced. See, write from data table. So here you have to select which data table you want to write it. So already I have taken the data table from the input, right? The same data table I will take it here. Okay. And the specific worksheet is you have to give the output. Okay, output. And from which cell you want to start it. Example here, from the A1 cell you want to start it or B1 cell you want to start it. It's your wish, right? Based on your criteria or your scenario. Basically what I have to do, entire data from Excel input sheet I want to copy and paste it into the output sheet. So input sheet containing data from A1 cell, right? So that's why what I will do in the output sheet also, I will take A1 cell. You can try with B1, C1 or A2, A3, that is also possible. Okay, and session name is default, right? So done. So now I will just close this Excel and run the bot. So basically what we have done, open the Excel advanced file and convert your Excel sheet into a data table and write the data table data back into your Excel. So this is very easy step you can follow in your real time scenario. And this is one of the interview question also, how you will pass the value from one Excel sheet to or copy the value from one Excel sheet to another Excel file or Excel sheet. Both are same, you can try. Okay, so what you have to do, for other Excel file you have to open other Excel and you have to use it, that's it. So other than that there is no difference between these commands. Okay, only the two commands you have to use it. One is write from the data, write okay, so first command is get worksheet as a data table. Second command is write from data table. I hope this is a very easy steps we have covered. So if you have any doubt, please comment on the video. Definitely I will help you for this. Okay, so this one, if you see here, input, and this is the output. So easily we have completed this particular activity. So happy learning. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get more video regarding automation anywhere and AI related videos and the UiPath videos. Happy learning. Have a nice day.